Water spin move. Enter Municipality 3x3. Yung sariling atin yung mga Palawan content creator. 4 minutes and 30 seconds of jumping off there. 13 only 1 point for Team of Ala and freeze. Acrobatic shot. Yes! And jersey number 26, good for 1 point. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. At yes sir, good for 1 point from Ramirez. Nagpasaga sa Chata Ramirez, basket counted. At may katabit pala foul. Under 13, yung mga bata po na nakalaro na, huwag mo nang umuwi kung pwede. Dahil sunod-sunod na po yung laro natin mga palang. 2 seconds. Good for 1. Our team of Barangay Maasin. 5 against 6. Pero 1 point lead. Itong taga Barangay Maasin. That unselfish pass in the jumper. Masyadong malakas. Put back. Yes sir. Good for 1 point. And this first boys runner. Enter Municipality 3x3. Good for 1 point. Ayan ang Brooks Point. At mga kaibigan po natin, hindi pa po nakafollow sa Facebook page po ng ating boys runner. At follow na po. Please follow, like, and share the Facebook page ng ating boys. Yung sariling atin yung mga Palawan content creator. 4 minutes and 30 seconds of jumping off the window. Boom! Good for 1. 8 seconds shot clock, in and out. Yung feeling na nasa loob na pero nilalabas pa. Outside jumper, yes sir! Good for 2 points. Carrying the ball. Yan po yung 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Back Ramirez, outside jumper, boom, boom, basket! Good for 2 points. Holding foul for minutes and 35 seconds remaining for the 10 minutes of basketball game. Ang ating first game for under 15.
Under 15 ba ito, coach? Under.
Outside jumper, kaboom! Good 2 points. Good points number 36. Passing. And 12 up against 13, only 1 point for Team of Ala and freeze. Acrobatic shot, yes sir! Good for 1 point. What a move! Yung mga piratang binabayaran para sa batang Ramirez. But agawan Google stolen or Team of Maasin Brooks Point. Good for 1. 13 up against 14 and a jumper from the 19 foot. Good for 1 point. Aga and freeze. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Too short. Bitten para sa team ng Maasin. Put back. Usman in a jumper. Counted basket at may bakuhan pang foul. 1 minute and 35 seconds, 5 seconds shot clock. Good for 1 point. Usman pushing ball number 26. Yes, up against 14 of Christian. But Ala outside jumper, boom, boom, basket. Good. Water spin move. Usman, good for 1 point. Okay, celebrations. We're having a 17 point. One pace free throw by Usman, good for 1. Last 30 seconds. 17, 18, last 28 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 25 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. And freeze, 0.6.
Tiragat.
0.6. And that's the end. For the 10 minutes of basketball action, score 17 up against 18. Congratulations, Team of Ala MP.